Successful organizations recognize that information can be a strategic asset, capable of driving better, more informed decisions. But the volume and variety of data makes it difficult to arm employees with the knowledge and analytics they need. 2.5 quintillion bytes of new data are created every day. But would it surprise you to know that according to a leading analyst firm, on average organizations only use about 12% of their data? In this scenario, I will walk you through a demo of how Watson Explorer can be leveraged by knowledge workers to efficiently consume information from a variety of data sources, as well as quickly identify patterns that help make better business decisions. Hi, I'm a product manager for Gemstone Medical. I am responsible for the P&L of my product portfolio of Garnet pacemaker devices and leads. I have to work closely with a cross-functional team, including sales, marketing, manufacturing operations, engineering, and other functions. I typically spend a majority of my workday consuming information and connecting the dots across the organization that is essential for the success of my products. I am a highly trained knowledge worker, but my time was often spent on non-value-added activities of hunting down information, until Watson Explorer. This is my Watson Explorer homepage, where I have personalized information about my Garnet product line of ICD devices and leads. With this consolidated view, I am able to track key performance indicators such as sales to forecast, production against plan, in-flight marketing campaigns, and so forth. Using data from existing systems in my organization such as Salesforce, SharePoint, master data management systems, and various production and inventory databases. I can also scan news articles on industry and competitor products right in my homepage using cognitive services available from the Watson Developer Cloud platform. Watson Explorer is the fastest, most direct way to bring cognitive capabilities to your organization. Let's look at the FDA reports. Watson Explorer is able to pull reports filed from the FDA's Public Medical Device Adverse Events Reporting database. I have been following an increasing trend of reports related to my product portfolio and click through the widget to drill into the problem. I can leverage the power of natural language analysis and text mining with the unstructured data in the FDA reports, using Watson Explorer's content analytics capability. I notice that there have been 254 reports filed in the last 10 months, with the trend increasing drastically. Reviewing 254 reports is time-consuming, but Watson Explorer gives me a variety of content mining techniques to surface concept themes and gain insights without actually reading the reports. I want to use the concept view to learn at a high level what the documents are about and gain further insight without actually reading them. Concept Discovery is an alchemy service powered by the Watson Developer Cloud platform. 21 concepts were gleaned from this database, and if I examine closely, device malfunction is tagged as a highly relevant theme. I click on it and add this concept to my query. I have 78 reports now, and most of them reflect the word shock, which is highlighted in the reports, in the context of inappropriate shocks. I want to understand the noun phrases associated with shock and see this over a timeline to understand if this is a recent issue. Each word phrase found in the 78 reports that occur more frequently and uniquely is visualized over a time series chart. I see that sensing leads seem to be a trending term, so I filter on the word sens. I find that the most correlated terms are related to the sensing on the leads. I now have enough statistically derived objective evidence to request an investigation from the quality and engineering teams. Without Watson Explorer, this information would not have been available for me to take action. I know that the Garnet leads are sourced from an external component manufacturer, but I don't know who the supplier is. Without Watson Explorer, I would have to hunt down this information through the intranet or my network. Today, I just need to ask Watson, who supplies Garnet ICD leads? Watson uses natural language classification with machine learning on the Watson Developer Cloud to respond to the question with the component supplier, Atacama Manufacturing. Watson Explorer delivers a comprehensive view of Atacama Manufacturing, consolidating information from the organization's intranet, data repositories, and the Internet. I see a news item on the page that the supplier may be experiencing some problems with their manufacturing facility. I want to preempt potential issues and identify an alternative supplier, so I ask Watson, who is the quality expert on leads? I now have expertise search that is powered by cognitive services on the Watson Developer Cloud platform at my fingertips. I have information on experts in the company through profile curation and can now reach out to them. I demonstrated how, within a few clicks, information locked within public unstructured data sets can be surfaced to knowledge workers. This is a demo based on real data from the FDA MedWatch database. The company that has been anonymized as Gemstone did have to recall their ICD leads because of a safety issue that resulted in legal claims of over $250 million and additional write-offs for the product line. Watson Explorer could have helped them identify the issue and preempt this business disaster.